The goal for the reading today is to be able to explain the different compromises made at the Constitutional Convention and the effects on the Constitution. Section 4. Issue. How should states be represented in the new government? When the convention began, most delegates believed that their task was to revise the Articles of Confederation, but to their surprise, the Virginia delegation presented them with a completely new plan of government. After a lengthy debate, the delegates made a bold move. They agreed to throw out the Articles of Confederation and write a new constitution. While the delegates, later known as the Framers, agreed to design a new framework of government, they were divided on a key issue. Should the government's power to rule come from the states or the people? Under the Articles of Confederation, the answer was the states. James Madison's answer was that the government's power should come directly from the people. The Virginia Plan. Drafted by James Madison and proposed by Edmund Randolph, the Virginia Plan called for a strong national government with three branches, or parts. A legislative branch would make laws. An executive branch would carry out or execute the laws. A judicial branch, or system of courts, would apply and interpret the laws. Under the Virginia Plan, Congress was to be made up of two houses, the House of Representatives and the Senate, and the number of lawmakers that a state could send to Congress depended on the state's population. States with large populations would have more representatives than smaller states would have. Delegates from Virginia, Pennsylvania, and other large states liked the Virginia Plan. Having the new government represent people, not states, would give them more representatives and more power in both houses of Congress. The New Jersey Plan. Not surprisingly, delegates from the small states disliked the Virginia Plan. Just as the convention was about to vote on it, William Paterson of New Jersey introduced a rival proposal. Like the Virginia Plan, the New Jersey Plan called for a government with three branches. However, the legislative branch would have just one house, not two, and each state would have an equal vote in Congress, no matter how big or small. This plan, Patterson argued, would keep the small states from being swallowed up by their more populous neighbors.